Hello, good morning, everyone. I'm Kundli Kadde, and I'm thrilled to welcome you all to the today's webinar on everything about AAKRUTI Innovation Competition 2025. First of all, thank you for joining in. Whether you are first-time participant or someone returning for the new challenge, I'm excited to walk you through everything you need to know for successful AAKRUTI journey. AAKRUTI Innovation Competition isn't just a competition; it's a launch pad for young innovators to apply creativity, technical skills, and teamwork to real world problems. In 2025, the platform has extended globally, giving you an even bigger stage to showcase your talent and innovation. So most of you have, I am expecting that most of you have been already been participant to this competition. So this competition has been the national competition for I can say few for a decade, and now it has the international platform, and from last year it has been getting the international audience for this competition. So let's let's see what is Akruti. So most of you may be knowing that Akruti is a Sanskrit word that means form or shape. It beautifully reflects the spirit of this competition, where imagination takes form through design, innovation, and engineering. In essence, Akruti is about shaping ideas into impactful, sustainable products that can help make real difference in the world. So we all are using this word in our most of the times in our life. So related to some geometries, forms, shapes, structures. So this is it. We are having this word as our title of this competition. Now, let's see about objectives of Akruti. So, Akruti, it's a design challenge, but more than that, it's platform to spark creativity and build confidence in young minds. First, it's meant to inspire innovation. We want students to look around them, notice problems, big or small, and come up with ideas that could actually help people. This could be solution for accessibility, sustainability, health, anything that matters to them. Second, Kruti is about hands-on learning. Students use SolidWorks, the same tool used by professionals, to turn their ideas into real designs. We also guide them through webinars and boot camps, just like this. Uh, it's a great experience to build practical skills while working on something they care about. And third one is it's about giving students a stage or a platform. The best teams from around the world will get chance to present their work at 3D Experience World in front of global audience. That's a huge moment for any student. So talking about 3D Experience World, it is a flagship event of Dassault Systems, and that has much more audience, international audience, I can say. So last year, we had over 9,000 students participate with present representation from 15 different countries, a big leap from where we began. This year is our 15th edition, and we have opened the doors even wider. Students from all disciplines are welcome, whether it's engineering, design, architecture, business, medicine, or social science. So we have one Akruti 2025 launch video. So in this launch video, you can have a better idea about this competition visually. So let's have this video played. I hope it will be audible to you all.
Mission Control. This is AAKRUTI Command. We have ignition. Our mission: to ignite global innovation and push the boundaries of creativity. What began as a small spark is now a worldwide movement. Year after year, the AAKRUTI mission expanded, one innovation hub at a time. New frontiers joined the journey. New minds sparked revolutions in design, engineering, and sustainability. From ideas to impact, from blueprints to breakthroughs, AAKRUTI is not just a competition, it is a launch pad for the innovators of tomorrow, the workforce of the future.
Mission AAKRUTI is go for launch.
As we step into the future, the mission continues. Are you ready to be a part of it? Launching AAKRUTI Global 2025 for student teams across the world to apply. Register now.
Join the mission, shape the future.
So that was the 2025 launch video. Now, moving ahead, what's in it for participants? Like every year, the winning teams will be awarded with cash prizes from total prize pool of USD 10K, along with trophies and certificates. Apart from this, all teams that complete the final product submission successfully will receive participation certificates. The college that has maximum number of qualifying entries will be receiving a separate college trophy. And in order to promote women in tech, the top all girls team will also be awarded with a special prize. Team registered for Akruti Innovation Competition 2025 will have access to SolidWorks desktop and 3D Experience cloud apps throughout the duration of the competition, and winning teams will also receive free student licenses for 1 year. So this is also the great reward for the teams, as you will be getting access to industry leading softwares from Dassault Systems. So every registered team student will also receive various exam vouchers such as Certified SolidWorks Associate, Professional Advanced, and 3D Experience certifications like 3D Creator and Collaborative Business Innovator that can further boost their resumes and profiles. Participating in Akruti also enables students to network with thousands of like-minded students across globe, as well as international industry experts in the fields of design and engineering and product design. To top it off, every student reaching the finale will be eligible for internship or job opportunities at Dassault Systems. So as you can see, Akruti opens many more doors for the students who will be pursuing their careers now. So like certifications, which are very crucial part in our career to boost our resumes. So here is the concise timeline of this event. So you can see that grand finale will happen at 3D Experience World 2026, Texas, USA. So you can see the contest timelines. So registrations have been already started from 1st April 2025, and the end date for the registrations will be 31st May 2025. So after the registration, there will be the multiple steps like preparing product design, then initial design concept submission, then there will be the final product design submission, which will be closed by 31st of August 2025. Then after this final product design, there will be Akruti Global 2025 National Finals, as well as afterwards there will be the international finale. So that is timeline of this event. So what it is, here is the roadmap how the competition will work. Throughout the duration of the competition, a series of additional activities will be conducted for participants in order to ensure that they make the most out of their Akruti experience. Webinar on topics such as sustainability product design, virtual twin experience for sustainability, and experience innovation will assist students in better understanding the concept of sustainability and incorporate it within the product design. Workshops on X design and design thinking will allow students to combine the capability of our design apps and their own creativity to come up with innovative solutions that are able to solve problems successfully. In addition to that, events such as Model Mania and certification drives will also be held that will allow students to put their modeling skills to test as well as get certified in the process. So as you can see, it is not just a plain competition where you can directly submit the design and that's all. So between this event timeline, there will also be smaller challenges, or we can say milestones, through which the students should go through and boost their skills like problem solution thinking and all those things, ideations, and many activities will be there for you. So moving ahead, what do student teams actually do? So the first step is to register and choose your innovation direction by selecting one of our four sustainability focused themes. These themes will help you narrow your scope and spark ideas that create real world impact. Choosing the right theme is like choosing your mission. So discuss, brainstorm, and pick the one you truly believe can make difference. So the first step we can see that is registration, right? So here are the themes which will be there for this year's event. So let's dive into the exciting themes that fuels the ideas we celebrate today. These themes are carefully curated to bring out creativity while being kind to our planet, from innovative solutions that prioritize health and well-being to designing spaces and infrastructures that are as sustainable as they are livable, from harnessing renewable energy and improving its efficiency and storage to transforming how we move. We have it all. The first theme is sustainable product of human wellness. Students selecting this theme need to either redesign an existing product or develop a new and innovative product that addresses a real clinical need and can benefit medical practitioners and patients alike. At the same time, the product also needs to be affordable, energy efficient, environmental, sustainable, and easy to use. The second theme is green energy generation, transmission, and storage. This theme requires students to design products that ensure access to affordable, reliable, sustainable, and modern energy for all. Products that expand, upgrade, and improve the energy services for developing countries can be designed. Next, we have the theme of sustainable habitat or city infrastructure. For this theme, students have to design products that can contribute to creating safe and affordable housing systems, as well as products that make public transport systems affordable and sustainable. Products should be designed such that they help to grow the cities with the minimal use of natural resources. And the fourth and final theme is sustainable mobility. Here, teams need to come up with potential solutions, including developing efficient and accessible individual transportations, innovative solutions for electric and hybrid vehicles, and developing intelligent public transportation systems. The goal of this theme is to create transportation systems that are environmentally friendly, socially equitable, and economically viable, while ensuring efficient use of available resources. So, as you all can see, all these themes are based on sustainability. So, we need to have these products designed so that we can move ahead for our betterment of the environment. So the next is after selecting the theme, next students will focus on identifying a real world problem and designing a meaningful solution. We are not just asking students to design a product for the sake of it. We are challenging them to look around, observe their communities, the environment, or industries, and spot problems that matters. It could be something that affects daily life, impacts sustainability, or addresses a specific societal or industrial need. Once the problem is identified, the next step is where students dive into ideation, research, and design, applying everything they have learned and even more. We want to see not just cool designs, but solutions with purpose, ideas that can make a difference, whether it's improving access, reducing waste, saving energy, or helping a community thrive. So, as we explained about the themes, these themes were also there. Like sustainability was a theme for previous years too. So few of the students, like I will be showing you the designs of the previous year's finalists or semi-final finalists. So they have created some designs. So the first one is unmanned solar-powered autonomous floating waste collecting boat. So this is the submission from the one of the team for this particular theme. It comes under the theme from the selection. Then there is efficient tree planting drone with all weather resilience, heavy lift, strength, and extended power. So it is drone which was submitted for the last year's competition finale. Then there is intelligent gas stove with pan detection and heat sensing for gas efficiency. So you can see the SolidWorks designs were also there at the right hand. So rendered images are there and all those things. Then there is IoT ankle for prosthetic bike riding. So this is something which is for the better cause of the people. Then there is bio bottle, a user-friendly biodegradable designed to filter the water without any power resource or any complicated mechanism. Then there is a cost-effective bionic arm. So it was a bionic arm for like prosthetic arm. Then there is a unique composting device, which was named as Compost. Then there is a special cancer treatment device to eliminate existing HIFU treatments. So you can see from the this participations, those participations are not only depending upon the based upon engineering and design only or the field of engineering only. It was also there was also participations from medical field and various field which were under the sustainability theme from all the four things. So the next is at the end of 3 months, team like you see in the competition timeline. So at the end of 3 months, teams submit design files, project abstract, presentation deck, a short pitch video, and then submissions are evaluated by experts. So after designing ideation, there are a few requirements you need to submit in order to submit your participation or submit your project. So this will be in the form of design files, pitch video, business presentation, and like this, you can have our we can have our experts to evaluate this and go ahead in the competition. So you can see that the timeline is there. Now, we have one video. So building on the goals we just discussed, Akruti has come a long way. Since its inception in 2011, Akruti has evolved into a highly successful product design contest with unique theme each year that challenges participants to think creatively and sustainability, and we can say collectively too, increasing our reach to more colleges each year. Akruti is more than just an event, it has become a brand in itself. So we have a short video here from the student team from Philippines. You can see.
It all started with one simple question. How do we make our cities more livable, more sustainable? We all knew the answer lay above us. On the rooftops.
Our journey to a greener tomorrow began with a dream. Silong, a Tagalog word. In English, shade or shelter. Every day we need silong. So our team thought of innovating traditional shelter. We believe that roofs are shelter for people, but they could also be shelter for sustainable innovation. We dive deep into research, learning from cities around the world that had already embraced green roofs. Toronto, Chicago, Tokyo, Melbourne, and Seoul. We wanted to bring the best ideas back home, made specifically to conquer the unique challenges of the Philippines. With every click, every line drawn in SolidWorks, we were one step closer to our goal. We wanted a design that was not only functional, but also scalable and sustainable. And then, it all came together. The design was complete, and we could see our vision come to life in ways we hadn't imagined. Looking back, it wasn't just about the end product.
It was about the journey.
Where we learned, how we grew, and the impact we knew we could make.
So this was one of the team from the Philippines. You can see the dedication in that team to participate in this event and design something, or we can say create something for the better future. So the next thing is, so after this initial design submissions, shortlisted teams progress to geo finales and top teams head to the grand finale at 3D Experience World 2026 in Houston, Texas, USA. So you can see the regional finale has a timeline of October to November. So it will happen between that period, and the international finale will be in February 26 at 3D Experience World 2026. So the so the talking about the experience about the previous years in the day one. Day one kicked off with impactful mentor experience sharing sessions where faculty mentors spoke about their journey guiding student teams. This was followed by virtual project showcase where all finalist teams presented their innovative products designs in a virtual gallery space. So this was about the last year's the competition finale. And in the day two was all about project pitches and felicitations. These young innovators truly impressed everyone with their confidence, depth of research, and commitment to solving real world problems. The event concluded with an award ceremony to recognize the winning teams, celebrate creativity, and honor the mentors who made it all possible. So you can participate and be one of those finalists and have this all experience for you. So as you will be having your team participate in this event, we also have our team. I would like to give a big shout out to our amazing volunteers across India and all over the world. Their dedication fuels the spirit of Akruti. We couldn't do this without them. So you can see with this collage the experience from last year. So this is our volunteering team at the left side. Then at the right side, you can see a few snippets of teams interacting with various juries. And then there is also a trophy, which you can see in the snippet for this event. So at the end, I would like to show you one video about 2024 wrap-up journey. So this will show you how the 2024 competition was all about and how it happened. Great. So, what are you waiting for? Form a team and scan this QR code on your screen to register now. So, I will keep this for a minute, so you can take email, take a photo, screenshot, and use it to register for the Akruti event. You can also share this in your group so that your friends who were not able to join this webinar, they can refer it and register for the Akriti event. Just the other thing is for the registration, it is also in the two phases. So the first one will be the registration, which you can do by scanning this QR. And once it is done, you will receive the another another registration link in which you will need to specify the themes as we shared in this presentation. Then you will need to add your members. Those will be participating with you in this event. So make sure that you, yes, sir, are you saying something?
No, 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 no.
Okay. So just that, make sure that once it is done, the registration, you will also receive one link in your emails, personal emails, which you provide in this registration, where you will be receiving uh, another form, which will be for your team member registration and your theme registration. So make sure that you follow all the steps and register for the Akruti event. Then you can also connect with us on social media. So there are social media handles for Akruti event. I will also keep this for a minute, keep this slide for a minute. You can take a screenshot, image, and have this links to contact us on the social media platforms.